This black Dell Vostro 3401 laptop comes pre-installed with Windows 10 Home, making it ready to use. This laptop weighs only 1.58 kgs, making it suitable for people on the go. Powered by the 10th generation Intel Core i3 processor, the laptop allows for seamless multitasking. With 4 MB cache, the laptop allows you to access frequently used apps faster. It comes with pre-installed Microsoft Office Home and Student 2019, making it ready for use. The laptop features a 4GB DDR4 RAM and Intel UHD Graphics with shared graphics memory that allows you to browse and work efficiently. The Dell laptop has 1 TB of hard disk space, which is sufficient to hold all your videos, movies and photos. It also has a 256GB SSD for higher responsiveness and faster boot ups. The laptop has a battery life of up to 10 hours. The Dell Vostro laptop has a 14.0-inch Full HD anti-glare LED backlit WVA display with narrow borders for an immersive viewing experience. The laptop has two USB 3.2 Gen 1, one USB 2.0, one RJ45, one HDMI 1.4 port and one SD card slot. The laptop comes with battery, adapter and user manual included in the box. This laptop comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.